Our topic is From Mother with Love. Sources are English book for class first year, textbook pages number 30 to 44. Objectives are students will be able to read the lesson with comprehension, write synonyms of difficult words.
Hey, James. Dinner will be ready in about 30 minutes. What's up? Let's see. Cleaning up my room this week, $1. Going to the store, 50 cents. Babysitting my younger brother, 25 cents. Taking out the garbage, $1. Eating all my veggies, $7.70. Total,
$10.45.
Well. For the 9 months that I carried you while you grew inside me, no charge. For all those nights I sat up with you, doctored you, and prayed for you, no charge. For all the toys, food, clothing, and even wiping your nose, no charge. And for all those nights of dread, all the tears that I shed, no charge. Because when you add it all up, my baby, the cost of my love is no charge.
I love you.
A word about writer. Zohar Sherburne, 30th September 1912 to 10th October 1995, was an American author most known for her fiction. Sherburne was born in Seattle, Washington, and began writing in elementary school. At 10, she started writing poetry. Her local newspaper, the Valley Tribune, published a column of her poetry called the Gremlins Say. She said she could hear the central character whispering in her ear. Sherburne is best known for her novels, which realistically explore problems often faced by today's young adults. Her teenagers typically struggle to come to terms with such traumatic family situations as divorce, remarriage, death, and mentally ill or physically handicapped parents. Sherburne's protagonist encouraged such difficulties from mother with love. She was a single parent because her husband of 30 years, however, died when the children were small. Mrs. Sherburne didn't remarry. Her work is often praised for its vivid characterization and well-developed plots. Language is very much important in fiction, in literature. The most important literary element is language. Language is defined as a system of communicating ideas and feelings through signs, sounds, gestures, and or marks. Language is the way we share ideas with one another, whether it is through speech, text, or even performance. All literature is written in a recognizable language since one of the literature's main goals is sharing ideas, concepts, and stories with a larger audience. And since there are over 6,900 distinct languages in the world, that means literature exists in tons of different linguistic forms too. These are different languages spoken in the world. And language is the basic skill through which we transmit our feelings, our signs, our ideas, each and everything. Language is the medium of communication. The element of fiction. How a story can be read by you people. First of all, plot. What is plot? The story, the fabrication of the story. Then comes theme. Then comes character. Then comes setting. What is a plot? Plot exposition means start. Inciting movement, conflict, rising action, comedy, tragedy, turning point, moment of recognition, falling action, moment of final suspense, and resolution, catastrophe. That is called plot. If your plot is strong, then your story is automatically very much strong. Then comes setting. Setting means time, place, cultural context. Then comes characters. Characters means protagonist, hero, antagonist, or obviously villain in motive. What is the motive of the characters? Goal, dynamic, static. Dynamic means are they in move, or are they static? Round, flat, confident, foil, stock. All these are the characters. Then comes theme. Lesson protagonist learns from his or her own experience. That is the main thing. Each element affects all others, and any can become the basis for a story. Likewise, a story can be told from any of these bases. Then comes plot elements. Exposition, then comes rising action, climax, how the story moves up, then how the falling action gets started, and then the resolution. Every problem has a solution. So good story should start it from exposition, then rising action, then climax, then falling action, and then comes towards the resolution, means solution. The characters and settings are introduced in exposition. In rising action, the problem conflict is revealed through a series of events. Then comes climax. The problem reaches its highest, most intense point. It can be the turning point in a story. Climax means the peak of the story. When the problem reaches its highest, most intense point, it can be the turning point in a story. Then falling action, the problem begins to be solved. And then resolution, the conflict is totally resolved and the story concludes. Authors spend a lot of time writing about events that are part of the rising action in the book. In fact, the rising action usually consists of multiple incidents. Readers sometimes draw plot diagrams that look like this. Some believe it more accurately represents the rising action. Got it? What is meant by plot? Plot means the story, the elements of the story which are necessary to write a story. Plot. What is meant by plot? The events occurring in a story. Okay, and what is a character? Protagonist and other persons in a story, the hero and the other persons in a story, they are called character. And plot and character both are very important elements of literature. Elements of literature. Number 1, plot. The events that occur in a novel, short story, poem, or play. The whole story. Either that is a novel, short story, poem, or play, that is called plot. Then comes setting, where and when a story takes place. Setting also creates mood or atmosphere. Characterization, the development of the characters in a work of literature. Conflict, the main struggle or problem in a work of literature, usually between the protagonist and antagonist. Protagonist means hero and antagonist means villain. There should be some conflict. There should be some struggle. That is the major part of the literature. Point of view, who the narrator of the work of literature is. What the writer want to convey to the reader, that is called point of view. Got it? And this picture is a symbolic for literature. Do you like it? Setting. Okay, in our lesson, the setting is Minta Holly's home and the beach. Both of them are very much important. Setting is Minta Holly's home and the beach. Characters. The people or animals in the story, they are called characters. They can think, they can feel, and they can act. In this story, there are three main characters. John Henry Holley, the father, Mary Holley, mother, and Minta Holley, daughter. Got it? And all three were living in this house. Plot. Its plot is simple. It has all the literary elements. Minta is introduced, then the problem or action of Minta's school arises. It reaches to the climax when her father discloses his intention. The action falls when she knows her father's intention, and the conflict resolves when she agrees with her father. Okay, this is the plot of this story. The plot of the story goes in a beautiful sequence of events where each affects the next one through the principle of cause and effect. In the beginning, the exposition introduces us to Minta Holley, who is disturbed with the memory of slapping sounds of the waves. The pungent smell of the burning logs, the girls soaring and sweeping overhead, but most of all her father's face when he told her something. Slapping sounds of the waves means forcibly or abruptly sounds of the waves. The pungent smell of the burning logs. Pungent means having a sharply strong smell of the burning logs. Logs mean pieces of woods. The girls soaring and sweeping. What is meant by gulls? A bird that lives near the coast with black and white or gray and white feathers. But most of all, her father's face when he told her something. The rising action occurs when her father told her she must not leave for dormitory. What is meant by dormitory? A large bedroom for a number of people in a school or institutions, as her mother is going to die soon and it becomes a nightmare for her. The plot reaches its climax with the death of her mother and the empowering sadness in the home. That is the climax of the story. The following action sees Minta full of life, turning on lights and television, becomes responsible about households, notices light in the Christmas wreath, and thinks to make preparation for coming Christmas festival. The plot is simple with three characters only, and the readers are compelled to keep reading to satisfy conflict and answer questions. In this chapter, Zoa Sharban wants to show a strong bond between a mother and a daughter. A mother and a daughter can have an unimaginable bond. A mother loves, comforts, and supports her daughter. She knows that her daughter is the best piece of her. A daughter is connected to her mother as if she is her soulmate. Secondly, the writer expresses the imminent nature of death, which takes our dear ones away from us. Secondly, is a transitional word, which I taught you earlier. Death is our great common destiny, therefore, we should be ready to accept it. As in the story, Mary Hole knows that she is going to die soon. Who was the Mary Hole? She is the mother. Still, she never feels agony and spends time with her daughter. What is meant by agony? Sadness. And spends time with her daughter cheerfully and has even packed Christmas presents in advance for her dear ones. She is always dressed in bright colors and looked young, gay, and carefree with shining eyes. She spends whole time in such a normal way that her husband and daughter think she does not know that she is going to die soon. It is a lesson for her daughter who gets encouraged and becomes bold to face this tragedy of losing her mother. She comes to know that she has to go forward and move on. She immediately adopts a responsible attitude towards her father and households. An important lesson for the readers is that no one knows the time of one's death, so live life to the fullest. One must certainly enjoy the beautiful blessings of life before death overtakes. This is the theme of this lesson. So beautiful theme. And her mother was so confident, so brave, so courageous, and the same qualities the daughter adopted from her mother. Theme of From Mother with Love. A universal theme present in literature across all creatures. It deals with the universal theme that death is imminent. Imminent means about to happen. Death is at hand. Although we never want to part with our dear ones in life, but the time comes when death takes them away and we have to suffer the pain of separation. And this is a natural human trait. But at the same time, we have to live tomorrow and the next day and prove ourselves to be loyal to the values, moral values, likes and dislikes we shared with our dear ones. We must live on and be faithful to everything they mean for us. As soon as Minta recalls her mother saying, "You know perfectly well that you are just exactly like me," she snaps on the lamps, turns on the television, immediately takes up responsibility of household chores and asks her dad, household work, and asks her dad to start thinking about Christmas as she sees the light in a Christmas wreath. What is meant by wreath? An arrangement of flowers, leaves, or stem fastened in a ring and used for decoration or for laying on a grave, which represents eternity, an unending circle of life. Life cannot be stopped after someone's death. It symbolizes growth and everlasting life. Okay, it's a long lesson Meaning and explanation. Crisp, clear, sharp, poignant, sharp, pointed, keen, penetrating, logs, trunks of dead tree, engrossed, absorbed or engaged. Gaily bright, waffles are better for cake, bacon, pig's meat, casual, normal. Clams are marine bivalve mollusk with shells of equal size. Chowder, a rich soup typically containing fish, clams, or corn with potatoes and onions. Curl up, sit or lie in a position when arms and legs are close to abdomen. Banister, handrail along the stairs. Companionable, friendly, grim, serious. Dormitory, a large room in a hostel for the students. Stubborn, obstinate, firm, inclined lightly, squishing, a sound of something wet, far out, unusual, farther up at the greater distance, smoldered, burned slowly with smoke but no flame, poked, jab or prod something with hand or sharp object, splinter small pieces, drift wood, pieces of wood floating on the sea or have been washed ashore, constrict, make narrower. Nightmarish feeling of suffocation and terror during sleep, jagged, rough, evenly cut, jutted out, extend outwards, sighed to make a deep single audible respiration, break off to end abruptly, scatterbrained, absent-minded, counted on, rely on, trust, squish, squish, the sound of something moist, disposition, mood, temperament, tendency, position. Siamese cat, a short-haired breed of domestic cat with blue eyes. Discarded, rejected, throwaway, twisted, disturbed, contorted. Hanging over, eminent, threatening. Spoke past, to talk about different subjects but believing they are talking about the same thing. Snug, cozy, comfortable. Get at, reach or gain access to or reach something. Trick or treat, an activity in which children dress up as magical or frightening creatures like Halloween, ghostly sudden burst. Thanksgiving, expression of gratitude to God. Got around, persuade. Cellophane wrapped, transparent wrapping of candies or plastic wrap. Stray wisp, move away small pieces of hair. Taffy colored, pinkish color. Perish, forbid, God forbid. Drift, carried away by air. Billowed, fill with air. Racking, drying together. Rag, an instrument used for drying together cut grass or leaves. Smudge, a smoldering mass. Alley, a narrow passage between or behind buildings. Flags of color, signals or signs. Chuckle, a quiet or suppressed laugh. Complacently, feeling satisfied. Sally, sit by the fire, sit next to the fire. Damp, moist, stack, pile. Pungent, strong, powerful. Davenport, a large upholstered sofa often convertible to bed. Racking, painful, distressed. Sobs, weep or cry. Choked, obstructed throat or difficulty in breathing. Tumbled, scattered, long hair. Gollywog, a doll with exaggerated features, usually a rag doll. Reprovingly, to correct a child to disapprove. Spook, fear or dread. Wobbly, unsteady, unstable. Chatter, chat or talk. Inconsequential, insignificant, unimportant. Bagel, a small hound of a breed with a short coat used for hunting hares who are friendly, loyal, and loving. Sidelines, note, a part of something. surmount, overcome, conquer. Haltingly with pauses, stockings, women's garments like long socks or tights, quilted satin case, multi-layered silk case. Woolly robe, woolen cloak, tan polo coat, a tailored overcoat, especially of tan camel's hair with half belt on the back, scarlet jacket, brilliant red color jacket, bag fixed or hanging, frantic, panic stricken. Cramming the lids filled to the point of overflowing or forcing the lids on. Sprigs, small stems bearing leaves or flowers, holy evergreen shrub. Fugitive, a person who has escaped from captivity. Matter of fact, affect, unemotional, practical. Snapping with a sharp cracking sound. Pestered, annoyed, teased, trouble. Christmas wreath arrangement of evergreen flowers in Christian religious perspective symbolizes growth and everlasting life or unending circle of life. Deftly in a quick way. You are supposed to memorize all these word meanings and they are called synonyms because synonyms will come in your objective part. Minta. Minta in the beginning was just like many other teenage girls who are carefree and want to have fun in hostel with other friends. When she came to know about her mother's illness, she became serious, thinking all the time how she would behave normally with her mother in this situation, but somehow she managed to behave sensibly. Then in the end, she was seen quite mature, accepting the reality of death and taking up responsibility of household chores immediately. She became realistic when she told her father to make preparation for coming Christmas. She had a very strong character. The conflict in the story and how it is resolved. The conflict in the story comes at different stages. Firstly, when John Hole is confused how to take Minta into confidence about her mother's illness and to resolve it. Firstly is a transitional device, which I told you in the last lecture. He takes her to the beach and tells her that Minta becomes confused and worried how to live with her mother normally when she knows at heart that she is going to die soon. But she manages to cope with the situation and tries to behave normally. Then the conflict that Mary Hole never knew about her death, according to her daughter and husband, was resolved at the end when Minta sees Christmas presents wrapped beautifully with name tags by her mother, which makes her more brave to accept her mother's death mentally, and she becomes more responsible and thinks to live life fully. In the beginning, her father thought that her mother didn't know about the illness, but her mother knew each and everything, but she was behaving very bravely and she was accepting the challenge of death bravely. The blue color in literature signifies positive response and represents calmness and peace. Because throughout her illness, Minta's mother remained cool, calm, and peaceful. And she had a very positive response. And similarly, after her death, Minta learns all these good traits from her mother, and that's why we can say that the blue color in literature signifies positive response and represents calmness and peace. Got it? Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.